So I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back. I'm now in love with doing like hair videos because I feel like in every box I get to have a different look and a different personality at the same time. So this unit is from OMG Hot Hair. I'm going to be working with them in this video and unboxing this. I'm going to show you exactly what comes in the box. This is what we get straight out of the box. And in here we have a rat tail comb, we have a melting band, we have HD wig cap, and we have a thank you card. And now this is what we're going to be unboxing in this video. I'm going to quickly just open this up, and yeah, it comes in a drawstring bag, so you can keep this in here for travel, for safety, for storage. Very multi-use and multi-purpose as well. Let me keep this properly one side, and this is the bag that it comes with. So it comes pretty packaged nicely. This is a Burmese curly wig, and it's in the length 20 inches, natural hair color, and it is 180% density. So I'm gonna quickly open this up so we can see what the curl pattern looks like, what the lace front looks like, what the lace looks like, and generally what the hair volume is like. So taking it out of the box, it comes with a net, so it's gonna protect the curls. This is what the frontal looks like. It does come pre-cut, like I'm seeing right now. It also does come pre-plucked as well. Finally plucked, also pre-bleached. Behind the wig we have this silicone grip type of texture right here. It's very soft, it's very grippy, so it's going to help in making sure that the hair is intact and it doesn't move. I'm seeing 3 here at the back. We also have this invincible drawstring that I'm seeing here, so you can use this to tighten up the the hair if you want it a bit tighter or a bit looser. This is what the curl texture looks like, right? It's really bouncy. Let me come in closer so you can really see the curl pattern. Let's move on to my favorite part, which is obviously installing. But what I like to do first of all is to show you guys what you get straight out of the box. Because I know that a lot of us are beginners. A lot of us are just starting off with like doing hair and installing hair. Okay, so straight up, I'm not sure if I like the positioning of this right here, the elastic band. Now something I'm noticing is that there is something off about the construction of this wig. I feel like the cap is so small. Maybe I should have sized up a bit in terms of the wig cap, but we're gonna make this work. Let me just take it off just so I can make this hair feel a little bit more comfortable. I'm going to move the placement of the what's it called, elastic band, move it a bit further, and that should feel better. Okay, so I can definitely tell that this unit is a bit too small for me, but we will make it work. I'm just trying to, let me get clips to get it out of the way. I'm going to lay down this frontal using my Evan spray. That's my go-to spray for an easy install, and we're gonna do that right now. In as much as I love how they plucked this frontal, I feel like I'm going to have to cut off a little bit of it. Okie dokie, there we go. Well, let's quickly clean off any excess makeup and spray my got2b. I'm going to use my comb to just comb and press that in. Just gently press that in. I definitely love how thin the lace is. You can see that from this side it is thin and it is melting beautifully. I'll give it to that. And yeah, we are good. I'm going to also lay down the lace. Okay, so let's move on to styling. Now, when it comes to styling this wig, I'm not sure exactly how I want to style this. I'm not sure if I want to finger comb it out or leave it as is, or even like put a little bit of water. But since we're here, let's try out everything. Let me finger comb it out, and if I feel like I don't like it, I'm going to use a little bit of water. Hopefully it does something to it. So I don't like the center part, the side parts that came with this wig, because this is what the side part is. I like mine a little bit deeper, somewhere around here, so that way it kind of flips over beautifully, like so. Yeah, I'm gonna use a little bit of wax stick, just a little bit of wax stick, because I don't want it to weigh the curls down. Use this to define the part. This hair texture reminds me of the kinky hair texture, right? That's what I'm getting with this one. Oof. Yeah, I knew this was definitely going to be a good, really good lace, because look at that. This is such a beautiful lace. This is such a beautiful lace. So let me do this right here. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to be using my melting spray. This one is from My Sticky Little Secret, and I'm going to be using, I love this one. I use this one for all my installs when I want to get that beautiful lace melt, what lace look. I'm going to use this. I usually put this on the back, on in here, and then use a brush to kind of dispense it, but I'm feeling a little bit funky today. So this right here is like the finishing spray for hair. For lace, to be more specific, not for hair, for lace. So down, melt, blend everything in. Lastly, but yeah, with hair like this, you don't need a lot of styling. You just need to put it down, lay it down, and you're good. And again, because it has a curly texture, you don't need to straighten it or whatsoever. You just need to work with the hair texture, and this is what the hair texture looks like. So let me take this off. Right. Oh my goodness. You know when you've done something and it looks so good. That's how I feel right now. Oh, just so you guys can see, this is what the hair would look like. It has a lot of volume. It is 180% density. This is what it would look like if you finger combed it and leave it in its natural state. My only concern with the hair is that I think they sent a small wig cap, so I'm barely hanging on, because I can't do like a half up, half down, because I'm not able to tuck in the back properly. So before you order, make sure you're ordering the right size. But this is what it looks like in its natural state. Yeah, I feel like if I'm able to define the curls, this is going to eat so much. It's going to be looking so good. So let me go ahead to add more water in here, get a leave-in conditioner, and let's get a brush and really define this curls. So I have my brush here. I have my water, spray bottle, and leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna just spend the next couple of minutes just wetting my hair and adding a little bit of product to it. So you can add mousse, you can add curl activator, whatever it is, but I'm gonna be using my conditioner.
So I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box for more details on how to maintain the curl pattern and how to properly wash this hair. There'll be a step-by-step tutorial guide on how to do that.
And this is the last section right now. I'm going to wet it down. this is what the hair looks like once it is hydrated and saturated. Yes. So yeah, this was definitely a very good choice. I can decide to brush the hair through. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, this is what the wig looks like once it is moisturized and wet, and you can see that the curls are activated, bounce back up. This is what it looks like curly. So depending on how you want to style the hair, I feel like this is going to be the best way to style the hair, because now it's showing off the curls. I like this wet hair vibe that I'm seeing, and yeah, minimum shedding. This is the look that we are seeing. This is all the hair that came out of the wig, so it's minimum shedding. This just shows off the actual curl pattern, and the curl pattern is so beautiful, right? So yeah, again, thank you OMG Hot Hair for sending this gorgeous unit. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I definitely did enjoy creating this content. And if you did, let me know down in the comment section. Say something nice, say something sweet. I'll leave all the details regarding this unit, this hair, down in the description box, so be sure to check it out if you are interested. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye guys.